good, y'all? It's Ltreble, 86 Music. Alright, so the purpose of this video is I'm trying to record with my camera from my cell phone, but at the same time I'm trying to get the audio from my computer to record into the video that I'm recording it on my cell phone. Like, I'm trying to keep the same sound quality, you get the live project file quality. So I think I finally figured out a way to pull it off so I can get more content on YouTube. Just out here just testing a couple of little setups, trying to get this shit right. There's another cable that I need. Well, I actually have it, but it's like old and it's kind of shorted out, so I gotta go to the store and get another one. They got this product called iRig that you can do it with, but I was sitting back just thinking about it, and I was like, wait a minute, my interface, I know my interface can do everything I needed to do. I just gotta get the right cables, and I already had all the right cables because of all the products I done bought. It came with extra cables and stuff. So I was like, you know what, let's hook these up to my interface and then hook it up to my cell phone. The shit works. So that's the whole point of this video. Just testing it out, man. Gonna get more content on YouTube. This beat right here, this probably be on another single I do, because I kind of like the vibe of this one. Got a few ideas for it. It just need to be mixed and mastered. Well, I'm mixing it while I'm producing it, so there ain't too much else I need to do other than master it though. I might play with the chorus sounds a little bit, but other than that, this bad boy's about ready to go after we master it. But I haven't even started writing to it yet, but I got a couple ideas of where I wanna go with them. I got a couple ideas for a lot of things, man. Like Unlit Chapter 3, that's on the way. I got a lot of fucking marketing ideas for that project, man. We going somewhere else with that one. Let's just say when I release it, y'all gonna be like, this is a very interesting project. Like, I want to say like the scenario of it is, I'm gonna say it's almost one of a kind, bro, because no one ever thought about it from this perspective. So like, I low-key can't wait to put that one out, man. But I got a lot more stuff I need to purchase for that, or I need to invest in for that. So it's on the way. The next single, that's coming very, 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 very soon, man. So just be on the lookout for that, man. But yeah, that's all I want to do, man. Just test out the audio, see if we get the right setup for this. It's Ltreble, 86 Music.